not too many people are really not too many people really know what concrete is capable of, and personally I feel concrete is one of the most overlooked architectural elements. Would you agree to that?
Right. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. So I honestly think that concrete is one of the most exciting materials that you can play with. It is a blank canvas. You can do so much with it. You can engineer it. If you understand the way the chemistry works, you can you can basically put in different properties into your concrete, right? So you can make it harder, you can make it thinner, you can make it longer, you can make it denser, you can make it lighter, you can change the color. It is literally the most designable thing at a construction site. And uh, and and the beauty of the product is, it's been around for thousands of years. I mean, literally thousands of years. And as humankind itself has progressed, we've the product itself has evolved. And so, if you look at just the way concrete has been used over the centuries, it kind of mirrors the way human life itself has progressed, and that's the beauty of the material. It is absolutely timeless, and I am I am absolutely in love with it. We can talk for a whole hour about concrete if you
I
want.
think we have talked for far more than just a whole hour about concrete.
Yeah, yeah.
But where did this love for concrete come in? Did it come in at an early age?
No, not really. I think the love for concrete actually came when I started working with concrete. There was always a sort of urge to do something creative, to create something of my own. And given that this is the background of the business as it existed then, um, I found working with concrete, creating with concrete, very very satisfying. I found it a lot of fun, and I found it really enjoyable. And I found that you could do a lot of things with it. And so that's where I really got into it. Aesthetically, though, I mean, I've always appreciated what concrete could look like, the different forms that it took. I mean, when I was a kid, I would see things that my father and uncle were doing, and I found them really interesting and really fascinating. But honestly, I really got kind of pulled in or got sucked in when I started working with my own hands, and I found that the possibilities are absolutely endless.